ಅದು ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಕಡಿಮೆ, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕೊಡು ನಡುಕ್. Yes, good evening, my dear students. How are you? How is your studies going on? How was your day? I hope you are studying well. And those who joined the live stream, show the thumbs up. Right? Welcome you all to the Lokji channel, technically powered by Vedium's app. Today's session is trigonometry. We have to continue. Trigonometry made easy. Trigonometry made easy. We'll continue the topic. I left you with 5 problems. Trigonometry made easy. All of you open your book. Classwork book. Trigonometry made easy. Can all of you hear me? Good evening, all of you. All of you hear me? Is the board visible to you? I think I had left you with some 5 problems based on type 1 of the trigonometry. I think the first problem was I left as homework. You just verify your answers. The question was, if tan A is equal to root 2, first problem I left was, if tan A is equal to root 2 minus 1, show that sin A into cos A is equal to root 2 upon 4. Show that sin A into cos A is equal to root 2 by 4. Second question was, in a right angle triangle, right angled at C, if tan A is equal to 1, then verify that just a minute. We'll solve the first one. By the time I will check the second one. How many of you tried this problem? How many of you tried this problem? Try the first one. Then verify that 2 sin A into cos A is equal to 1. If tan A is equal to 1, then verify that. If you have not tried it, then verify that. I'll write all questions. Verify that sin A into cos A is equal to 1. Third question was, in right angle triangle, right angle at C, third one, in a right angle triangle, try, those who have not tried it, in right angle triangle, this is a symbol, right angle triangle, ABC, right angled at C, right angled at C, right angled at C. If tan A is equal to 1 by root 3, find the value of sin A cos B. If tan A is equal to 1 by root 3, tan A is equal to 1 by root 3, find the value of left with 5 problems. Sin A into cos B plus cos A into sin B. Sin A into cos B plus cos A into sin B. I given some homework. Last question. If sin theta is equal to A square minus B square upon A square plus B square, find the values of all other t ratios. Find the values of. These are the homework given to you. Values of all other t ratios. Out of these 4, how many of you solved? How many questions? Write the number of questions you solved. How many of the questions you solved? Out of these 4. Those who solved it, you can verify it. Let us draw the triangle solution. You can open your book. For beginners, you may feel these problems a little bit difficult. Intentionally I have taken your textbook. These are little bit higher than your textbook. If you practice tough questions, your mind will become well trained. Tan A. We have to prove that it is given that tan A is equal to root 2 minus 1. Now, first step is you draw the right angle triangle. This is based on type 1 questions, my dear students, using trigonometric identities. Level by level, you go on making perfect. Trigonometry is one of the very important topic. Therefore, I have taken in the bridge course only, so that you will get ample of time to solve, to understand, to practice, because trigonometry requires, it's an entirely new branch. This is the triangle tan A. I will take A here. Other two will take BC. As you know, this is 90 degrees, side opposite to 90 degrees, hypotenuse. What is the definition of tan A? tan A is equal to root 2 minus 1 upon, you can take 1. Means tan A is, you know that what is tan A? Recall, what is sin A? Sine opposite upon hypotenuse. Cos adjacent upon hypotenuse. Shortcut, tan opposite upon adjacent. Recall, tan A is equal to root 2 minus 1. Opposite will be how much? Root 2 minus 1. Opposite to A will be root 2 minus 1. As a denominator, we will take it as 1. Nothing is given, we will take it as 1. Now, again you can apply Pythagoras theorem. What is Pythagoras theorem? AC square in right angle triangle, ABC by Pythagoras theorem. Yes, apply Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem. By Pythagoras theorem. Square on the hypotenuse. Square on the hypotenuse means what? AC square is equal to AB. AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. You don't know hypotenuse is AB square becomes root 2 minus 1 whole square plus BC square 1. Try, continue. Study the steps. AB square becomes A minus B whole square formula. What is A minus B whole square formula is equal to? You will get A square minus 2AB plus B square. Those who are joined newly, before you attend by next class, you study the videos. Trigonometry previous episodes you see, then you will understand clearly. All of them are available in the YouTube. You practice them and then attend. Latecomers, those who joined late. A minus B whole square. A square becomes root 2 square minus 2 into A becomes root 2 and B becomes 1. Okay. Two, three, four questions solved, Krishna. Solved. Was a try to solve, but not correct answer. Okay, no problem. I have given you intentionally deeper problems so that your mind will become more sharp. Root 2 square, you studied in the 9th standard. Root 2 square is root 2 into root 2. Root x into root x always becomes root x square. Remember, root x square is always equal to x. Okay. Root 2 square is 2 minus 2 root 2. I hope you understood. This is the value of root 2 minus 1 whole square. You get 2 minus 2 root 2. Whatever answer it comes, you try to get it. 2 minus 2 root 2. Because 2 into 1, 2ab, sorry, plus b square. B square becomes what? B is 1 square. You become, it becomes 1. What do you get here? 2 plus 1 becomes 3 minus 2 root 2. Particularly Cbse students, ICSE students, PUC I bridge course students, practice them. 3 minus 2 root 2. Hypotenuse. Wait, we have to take the square root of it. Very interesting. And you will get 3 minus 2 root 2 is a root 2 minus 1 whole square. Right? You will get plus 1 here. Okay? What do you get now? 3 plus 1 becomes 4 minus 2 root 2. Yes, AC square is equal to, intentionally I have given only 4 problems for you. So as to check your ability to solve. You have to attempt such questions. Then you will become AC will be equal to root of 4 minus 2 root 2. You have to find out the square root of 4 minus 2 root 2. How do you do it? Try to express this, whatever is there in the bracket, as a perfect square. How can you do this? AC will be root of 4 minus 2 root 2. Okay, AC comes out to be root of 4 minus 2 root 2. Root of 4 minus 2 root 2. For time being, we'll write it here. 4 minus 2 root 2. Whatever answer comes, we'll write it here. I hope you understood. A minus B whole square. A square is root 2 square. I am expanding this. Try to understand. A is a root 2. A is a root 2. B is 1. Root 2 square. A square is a root 2 square is 2. Minus 2 into A into B. Root 2 into 1 is root 2. Plus B square is 1 square 1. 2 plus 1 becomes 3 minus 2 root 2. I have written 3 minus 2 root 2. And BC square in the formula will be 1. 3 plus 1 becomes 4 minus 2 root 2. You got it. Okay. Up to this stage, any doubts? If you have got any doubts up to this stage, you can ask me in the chat box. Okay. Oh, fine. Now, sin A into cos A. Let me move on to the next one. Any doubts in this? Any doubts in this discussion? Anybody has any doubts, you can ask. No doubts? Okay. I will continue now. Okay. Here, you can write what is sin A now. I will write sin A into cos A. LHS, I will take a left hand side of it. LHS. You have to take a sin A into cos A. Sin A into cos A. You recall what is sin A into cos A? Sin A is opposite upon hypotenuse. What is sin A is opposite upon hypotenuse. Opposite is BC. Let me write BC. 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 Opposite upon hypotenuse will be AC into what is cos A? Cos A will be adjacent upon hypotenuse. You will get 1, that is adjacent is AB upon AC. No problem. Okay. That is equal to what is BC length? BC length is root 2 minus 1 upon AC. You got it as a root of 4 minus 2 root 2. You studied number system 9th standard, how to handle the surds. Many students are weak in this area. Therefore, I have chosen this problem. 4 minus 2 root 2 into what is AB length? AB length is 1 divided by root of 4 minus 2 root 2. Again AC. What is the root x into root x? Just now I told you. Remember, always remember, root x square is always equal to x. Write this concept. This concept will help you. Root x square. Root 2 square is 2. Root 5 square is 5. Root 8 square is 8. Similarly, you get here root 2 minus 1 divided by. Now observe how many times root of 4 minus 2 root 2 is here. Root of 4 minus 2 root 2 square. Whenever root of any surd is squared, square root of any surd is squared, root cancels. You will get root 2 minus 1 upon 4 minus 2 root 2. Observe. Are you getting me? Now you can take common. Up to this stage, anybody has any doubts? Up to this stage, anybody has any doubt? Okay. So this part, let me rub this. I hope you have taken this AC square, Pythagoras theorem. I will continue here. If you have got any doubts, I will be watching your chat box. You can tell me in the chat box. Now, our aim is to prove that root 2 upon 4. We'll try, no problem. Root 2 minus 1, you write as it is. Okay. Now, think of writing 4. How can you write 4 as? 4 can be written as 2 into 2. Do you agree with me? 2 into 2 means what? One of the two. Can I write it as root 2 into root 2 into 2? So that can I write it as root 2 into 2 root 2? Right? Let me write this 4 as root 2 into what? 2 root 2 into root 2 minus 2 root 2. Can you observe? This is the interesting thing. This is the trick. Therefore, I told you, last part. Sir, please explain last part. Okay, I will explain. Okay, I will explain. Sanket, I will explain. Sumant, ಇದು ಕಾಲ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಸುಶೀಲ್ ಅಂತ ಯಾರು ಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡು. ಇವ್ರದ್ದು ಮಗಳಕ್ಕೆ. Now I will explain. Don't worry. Many of you studied rationalization of the search in the 9th standard, no? That knowledge you have to use. Remember, trigonometry is the total package of your 8th, 9th, 10th knowledge. Even for PUC I students, ICSE students also. I will again explain it. Don't worry. Root 2 minus 1. You take a 2 root 2 common in it. If you take a 2 root 2 common in it, what you are left with? Here, if I take a 2 root 2 common, you are left with the root 2 minus 1. Do you agree with me? I will explain up to this stage. Up to this stage, you have got doubts, no? Okay, I will clear it now. It's too easy, Krishna. Okay, very good. If you have studied very well, root 2 minus 1 cancels. You will get 1 upon 2 root 2. This is based on number system 9th standard. Rationalize the denominator. If you rationalize the denominator, you will get multiply by root 2, divide by root 2. What you are left in the numerator? Root 2. Now, 2 into, what is root 2 into root 2? Root 2 square. Root 2 square becomes 2. Then you get root 2 upon 2 2s are 4. Check, is it not RHS? How many of you have got doubts in it? You can clarify, and I will again repeat it. You are asked to prove that sin A into cos A is equal to root 2 upon 4. Root 2 upon 4. Now, what is sin A is? Sin A is opposite BC upon hypotenuse is AC. What is cos A is? Adjacent is AB and hypotenuse is AC. Okay. AC. Substitute what is BC? BC is root 2 minus 1. AC is root of 4 minus 2 root 2. AB is 1. AC is root of 4 minus 2 root 2. Put a root 2 minus 1 as it is. X into root x becomes root x square. Root cancels. 4 minus 2 root 2 you got. And important part is this, many students fail in this. This is the trick, main trick in it. This many students can't understand. Can you write 4 as 2 into 2? Yes. Can I write a 2 as root 2 into root 2? What is root 2 into root 2? Root 2 square. Is it not 2? Therefore, one of the two I am writing it as root 2 into root 2 intentionally. Then I am retaining this 2 as it is. Observe carefully. Then I am writing it as 2 root 2 into root 2. I am just substituting this 4 minus 2 root 2 as 2 root 2 into root 2 into root 2, 2 root 2. You take a 2 root 2 common here. If you take 2 root 2 common here, this will come out. This goes. You are left with what? Only root 2. This goes. Therefore, you are left with 1. Numerator root 2 minus 1. Denominator root 2 minus 1 cancels. Now, you are left with 1 upon 2 root 2. Now, rationalize the denominator. To rationalize, the rationalization factor is root 2. Multiply by root 2, divide by root 2. Studied in the 9th standard. Root 2. Root 2 into root 2 becomes what? Again, root 2 square, which is 2. Root 2 upon 4, hence RHS. All of you understood this? Clear? That completes the first problem. Second problem is very easy. Okay? All of you understood? I hope it is clear now. If it is not clear, you can rewind it again after the class and see it, watch it. No problem. Any number of times you can watch it. There you will understand it. If you rewind it again and watch it, it will be there available in the YouTube channel only. Okay, we'll move on to the next one. What was the second problem? In right angle triangle, right angled at C. Let us draw the right angle triangle. It's very easy. Right angled at C. Let us draw the right angle triangle. A, C, B. It is right angled at C. Means at C you have, okay. What they have given? They have given that tan A is equal to 1. Where is our angle A? Angle A is here. Tan A is equal to 1 they have given. What is given? Given that tan A is equal to 1. Given that tan A is equal to 1. Tan A is equal to 1. Observe carefully. Tan A is equal to 1 means what? Opposite will be how much? Tan A is nothing but opposite to A is BC. Opposite, what is tan A? TO, opposite upon adjacent, TOA. What is opposite here to the A? Is a reference angle. Reference angle is A here with respect to A. Opposite will be BC. Opposite will be BC. Upon adjacent will be AC. You carefully learn this. Then opposite also becomes 1. Adjacent also becomes 1. Now you can easily get hypotenuse. That is by Pythagoras theorem. By Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem. Now you can write it as AB square is equal to AB square is equal to yes, AC square opposite square upon that is adjacent square plus opposite square, perpendicular square, AC square plus BC square. Now you write what is AC? AC is 1 square. BC is also 1 square. 1 square becomes 1 plus 1 becomes 2. Therefore, AB square is equal to 2. AB becomes equal to what? Square root of 2 is root 2. Root 2 is a prime number. It is not a perfect square. Therefore, put it root 2 as it is. No problem. We'll put it root 2 as it is. Now, what you want us to find out? Verify sin A into cos A is equal to 1. Let us verify. Verification you write. Verification. Take a sin A into cos A. Observe. Sin A into cos A. They have asked us to prove that sin A into cos A. What is sin A? Opposite upon hypotenuse. What is opposite upon hypotenuse? Sin A. Opposite is a BC upon hypotenuse is AB. Practice like this. Initially, after good practice, you can speed up. Don't expect speed in the first round. First learning should be learned slowly according to your capacity. If some of your friend in the classroom is solving fast, don't get tense, right? Don't compare others, right? What is competition? Competition means you have to compete with yourself, right? Go on improving day by day in your own capacity, right? If some of your friend is solving fastly, don't get depressed. Give some more time at home. Sit your study room. Don't allow anybody. Silently sit. Practice it. And if you are not understanding, you can rewind my video again and again. Some students can learn faster because all students cannot have equal talent. Some of you will be good in physics. Some of you will be good in mathematics. Some of you will be good in biology. Every student is a born talent. Don't underestimate yourself. Don't overestimate yourself. And first step in competition is Don't compare yourself with others. Every flower has got its own fragrance. I consider every child as a scientist or a cricketer or anything is within you. The talent is, you are gifted. And the great thing is we are born as a human being. God has allowed us to come here as a human being, and we will have in our chip this hard disk. The chip will be there, in the mobile chip will be there, no? You will have your talent. Therefore, never underestimate yourself. If you are poor in something, all persons, all people cannot be equally talented. How can you expect Sachin Tendulkar to dance, Lata Mangeshkar to sing, go and play cricket? No, it is impossible. Every child will have its own talent. Therefore, we never discriminate among the students. And if you are slow in mathematics, what is required is need some repeated practice. Have confidence. I am here to fill the confidence in you. Job of a teacher is to fill the confidence in you. Therefore, don't underestimate yourself. Don't decide. Board will decide whether you are intelligent, dull. The board will decide. And don't get tense if anybody tells you on your face you are dull. No, not like that. Every one of us are taken birth on the earth, is born with, God has sent us with some talent in us. After 10th standard, you go to your field of your choice. 10th is a common education. In some subjects, you will be good. Whatever subject you are interested, choose that subject and go to PU level. Arts, science, commerce. You have got an opportunity. Therefore, if you are poor in mathematics, I will go on telling you later, right? Those who are poor, you go on after the test. I can tell you more. You have to live test. I will take, even quiz test in the app. I will take. Cos A will be adjacent upon hypotenuse. Adjacent is cos A. What is adjacent is? Adjacent is what? BC. Cos A. Sorry, adjacent is AC. Here, with respect to adjacent is AC and hypotenuse is AB. AB. Now you tell me what is BC? BC is 1. Is it plus or into? Sin A into cos A is equal to 1. Let us check. BC upon BC, what is sin A? Opposite BC upon hypotenuse is AB. Cos A, adjacent is AC, hypotenuse is AB. So 1 upon root 2 into what? AC is also 1 upon root 2. You get 1 upon root 2 into 1 upon root 2 is 1 by 2. Root 2 into root 2 is root 2 square. Root 2 square, you will get 1 by 2. I have miswritten the question here. It should be 1 by 2. Check all of you. What is your answer? Is 1 by 2 correct? Okay. It should be 1 by 2. Sin A into cos A. Sin A into cos A. It should be 1 by 2. And it was a print. I have mostly miswritten. Okay. Next question. Sin A into cos A becomes equal to 1 by 2. It is correct. Next, move on to the third one. In a right angle triangle ABC, right angle at C, if tan A is equal to 1 by root 3. Yes. Similar type of the problems you must have seen. Any doubts in this? If anybody has got any doubts in this problem, and by mistake I have written 1 here, it should be 1 by 2. 1 by 2 will be correct answer. How many of you got correct answer? Okay. Okay. Please correct this. Let us take the next problem. Third problem. Even in the WhatsApp, you can ask the doubts after the class, after the live class. And even you can watch the live class by rewinding it. If anything is not understood, it is not like your school class. You can rewind it any number of times depending upon your ability. Some students may learn after second time. Again, you rewind it and watch it, you will understand it. Okay, next, third one. In right angle triangle ABC, right angle at C, first you learn to draw the diagram. Where the right angle is, that you have to fix. It is right angled at what? They have clearly given that it is C, right angled at C. Then other two sides will be, okay, we'll take this one as A, B, C. What they have given? Tan A is equal to 1 by root 3. Here I have taken A. A is the reference angle. Reference angle is A. Right. With respect to A, you have to write given that tan A. Again, application of based on Pythagoras theorem type 1 Pythagorean problems. This is the first step in all the boards. Given tan A is equal to 1 by root 3. What is tan A? Observe, tan A opposite upon adjacent. Do you agree with me? What is opposite here? Opposite to reference angle A is BC upon adjacent will be AC. Now you can write directly what is BC is. BC is 1 and AC is root 3. Now you have to find out hypotenuse square. Again you have to use Pythagoras theorem based on the type 1 only. These problems I have given you to give good practice on type 1. Particularly beginners, particularly state Cbse, you are learning trigonometry in detail this time. Therefore, I have started the trigonometry first. Many students blame that trigonometry is tough. I am going to make trigonometry easy. It is easier than addition and subtraction. Once you learn the trick, it's very, very easy. But you have to learn the tricks I am mentioning here. Okay. Now you can apply by Pythagoras theorem. Solution. Yes, you solve. Find out AB. What is AB? By Pythagoras theorem. Don't wait for me. Go ahead. Pythagoras theorem. Even you can do it in mind also. What is the hypotenuse? In mind calculation. Let me see how many of you are good in mind maths. At least one of you answer. What will be AB without pen? Without pen? Without using pen? See, what is the theorem? AB square is equal to AC square, AC square, BC square plus AC square. Those are writing competitive exams. Your mind maths is very much required. 1 square becomes 1, root 3 square becomes 3. Okay, 3 plus 1 becomes 4. Then AB square becomes what? 4. AB will be what? 2. You can do it in mind. But in a written exam, you don't write directly. By Pythagoras theorem, AB square is equal to, those who are writing competitive exams, multiple choice questions, Karnataka CET or JE, you need mind maths. Therefore, Vedium's app is developed. Therefore, I told you, there you will get a time-based quiz in app. First of all, show thumbs up how many of you have downloaded Vedium's app by paying rupees 540. Just 540 rupees permanently. This app will be yours. That is the basic price. Very cheap. And permanently yours, not for 1 year. Permanently will have in your, this app will be there in you. This is for service our students who are engineers have done it. Show thumbs up how many of you have downloaded the app, because next week I will upload the chapter wise, topic wise quizzes. And first of all, you have to download this Vedium's app, available in the Play Store. Even I have sent you the link also. Show thumbs up how many of you have downloaded. Download Vedium's app, because it is a app is developed to give you speed and accuracy required for competitive exams. Quiz questions will be there, time set quiz questions. I will give 10 minutes, 20 questions. I will set the time based on the level of the question. Right? First, some easy questions will be there, then moderate questions, then tough questions. Like this, level wise questions are there. We are going to upload, and to improve your basic arithmetic, particularly 8th, 9th, 10th. Many students coming to the 10th standard are weak in basic. All topics are there available. You start practicing mind maths in Vedium's app, and in that we will go on creating courses of the respective subjects. Right? First step is download Vedims. How many of you have downloaded Vedims app by paying 540 rupees? Just 540. If you go to a hotel, you will spend thousands of rupees for birthday. Just 540 permanent levers, you will get more than 10,000 value material in it. I myself taught it. You just download it. After 5 topics, I will start this weekend. I will Vedims introduction I will give on the app only. Okay, I will show you working. AB square is equal to BC square plus AC square. What is BC square? Is 1 square. You have to show, but in the exam don't write directly. There are 2 exams. One is subjective exam, written exam, 10th, PUC 1, PUC 2, FA1, FA2, FA3, FA4 you are writing, SA1, SA2. All these exams are written tests. In a written test, steps are important. And this particular lengthy calculation is meaningless in a competitive exam. Suppose that you write Karnataka CT, 60 questions, 60 minutes. In 1 minute, you have to answer the questions, right? So there, this particular writing steps will not ask. They will give 4 dots here. Question number 1, 4 dots. In that 1, 4 circles will be given. 2, 3, 4. Just you have to mark on the correct answer within 1 minute. And no one will see, computer will evaluate it, right? So computerized evaluation will be done because 22 lakhs JEE NEET students are writing there. No one will evaluate it, and a program will be there. Computer will evaluate it. You have to just mark like this in the correct answer, and you need not show any steps. There you require the mind maths. What is required? Mind maths. I told you in the beginning. Just AB, in mind you have to calculate. AC square root 3 square is 3. BC square 1 square is 1. 3 plus 1 is 4. Square root of 4 is 2. You can write it directly. Where? In a competitive exams. Not even in your MCQs also. School MCQs, you have to write serial number and a correct answer. For that you will get 1 mark. MCQ only, you can apply this speed maths. Then competitive exams. Our Vedims quiz tests or time-based multiple choice question on every topic. I have uploaded more than already in trigonometry. I have uploaded 430 questions are there, MCQs. Yesterday I counted them. 430 multiple choice questions are there, topic wise. First you upload Vedims. In Vedims, a course will be created today or tomorrow, and then I will inform you in the live class. First you download Vedims app by paying just 540 rupees. Then course. Then they will create course there. Then you have to download the course. For that also nominal fees is kept. Thousands of, and immediately after the test, topic wise quiz questions will come there. Small video of that topic I will make. Below that you will get quiz questions, and you have to go on taking the quiz question in the app only. And app will immediately after completion, say 10 minutes, 20 questions if I give. In 10 minutes, time will be out. In that, how many questions you solve? Immediately app will give you the marks. How many questions were correct? That marks you have to upload. You have to write your name and your score in the first test. Okay. So that we will discuss here. I will take the rank list also. By looking at your WhatsApp. Even in app also they are planning to do that. Yes, it is under development. Okay, shortly I will tell you. It is a tech course, my dear students. After every topic, after every live stream, on the same day, once I start the syllabus, on the same day, immediately after the test, you have to give the test in the app. First step is downloading Vedims app. Then courses will be created. I will explain you on the mobile here only how to open it, how it opens. I will show you. Immediately after the class, MCQ will be there, and subjective assignments I will send in the WhatsApp group. MCQ quiz test, app-based quiz test, like those who are writing competitive exams. This is a training for your future program. Those who are in PUC 1, Karnataka CT level questions will be given for different classes. Different courses, different questions, quiz questions will be made, different assignments will be sent. Okay. based on the standard of the paper of that board. ICSE board different, PUC board different, Cbse board different, assignments will be different. Okay, this is a bridge course, therefore still we are combining so that you can warm up and adjust to my teaching. Then I will start seriously the syllabus. First, every student requires some 1 week or 2 weeks to adjust with the teaching of a new teacher, right? And any new joiners, many of you are not writing your name. Whenever you write your name and phone number, so that I can save your number joined, only numbers are coming. If you are joined, any new numbers are joined, write your name in the WhatsApp after joining. Student name, not parents name, student name, so that I can check in the chat box, call you by names and not your parents name. I can't call your parents name because they are senior. I have great respect for your parents. Therefore, write your name. I will save in my mobile by your name only. I will call you by name, right? Even quiz questions I will ask you. Then AB will be what? AB will be what? Root 4. Square root of 4 will be 2. Now you got it. These steps will carry marks. So that this question appears for 2 marks, right? For getting this AB, say you will get 1 mark. Then for writing these values, given expression GE, you are right. Generally G anta baradre idr meaning ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ given expression. It is not an equation. We are asked to get the value of the expression, given expression. Whenever I write given expression, I will be writing GE, given expression. Okay, let us continue here. Okay, I will rub this part because this is already over. I will solve this here. This question I will continue. Given expression is, you are asked to find out sin A into cos B. Sin A into cos B, right? GE, have this habit. GE, given expression. Sin A into cos B plus cos A into sin B. Particularly, reference angles are different here. Okay, the reference angles will be different. Okay, observe. Same right angle triangle, reference angle. When the sin A, what is the reference angle? Reference angle is A. Then opposite will be BC upon AB. I will write here BC upon AB into cos B. Now the reference angle becomes this. What is cos definition? Sin A, opposite with respect to A, opposite is BC, hypotenuse is AB. Cos B, reference angle shifted here. With respect to cos B, opposite will be this and adjacent will be 1. What is the BC upon AB? BC upon cos B will be BC upon AB. I hope you understood. Plus, now you take cos A. Cos A will be adjacent upon opposite. What is cos A? Applied. This application practice will make you perfect. So as many problems as you solve, you will go on becoming perfect, because only solution to improve your mathematics is you have to do only 3 things. Practice, practice, practice. Study, study, study. Only 3 things for success formula. Right? See, cos A. What is cos A is equal to? Cos A is equal to adjacent upon, yes, hypotenuse. What is adjacent is AC. Okay, cos A, AC upon AB. Slowly you pick up. I have got more concern about slow learners. Slow learners also carefully learn. No problem. Throughout year, I will be working with you. Don't worry. Till you go to examination hall, our Logji channel, technically powered by Williams, is struggling day in and day out to reach moderate students, poor students, average students, above average students, extraordinary students. We have got all the level of students in our mind, and particularly trigonometry, you learn carefully, and trigonometry tests your complete arithmetic, algebra, geometry. All the abilities are tested here. Therefore, I have taken it for bridge course intentionally. Sin B, observe, sin B will be opposite upon hypotenuse. What is opposite now? AC upon AB. Okay, okay. What do you get here? BC square, isn't it? BC into BC will be BC square upon EB square, plus AC into AC becomes what? AC square upon AB square. Now you can write the value of BC. What is BC? Yes, BC square is 1. 1 square will be 1 only. Upon AB square. Where is AB? AB is 2. That 2 square. Plus, what is AC? What is AC? AC is a root 3. You will get a root 3 square. What is AB square is? AB square is, yes, you get 2 square. What do you get here? 1 plus root 3 square becomes 3. Let me write them separately. Okay, let me write this expression. Already we are in the last step now. Okay, initially I'll be slow. Once you go on practicing, I will send you some practice questions before coming to the next class. Therefore, I have made a chemistry mathematics alternative day, because in the day middle I will be sending you assignment, right? Today I will send you maths assignment. Already in the WhatsApp group I have sent you a particular assignment in your WhatsApp group. Finish them. Doubt questions you can send in the WhatsApp only. Okay, so that I will see them and come on live stream. So that in live stream again and again I cannot see the chat box. Time will be wasted. Root 3 square will be 3 by 4. What is LCM? LCM is 4. Right? In Vedims app you go, which topic you are weak, open that topic, you can practice. In which you are strong, also you can test ability. 8 minutes, you have to answer 60 questions. Already 8 minutes, 60 questions are there in Vedims app. And if you answer 42 questions on a topic, then you will be, app will take you to the next. Otherwise you are fail. Again you have to practice the same thing. It is very interestingly developed app, my dear students. We took more than 1 year. Day in and day out our Vedims team worked for it. And it is a very valuable app in a very cheap price, because our students want to serve you people, juniors. They are also my students only. So they want to serve you people, you junior people, and guide you, help you. For that they have made very nominal fees. Even very poorest of the poor students can purchase, download the app in 540. What is available in the market? Right? 50,000, 40,000, 30,000 courses they are making, online courses. We are giving it, my teaching will be free of cost. Therefore, you, in which topic you feel you are weak, open that basic topic, addition, subtraction, multiplication. And in the YouTube also, Vedims YouTube channel is also there. For immediate reference, you can go to YouTube channel of Vedims. There also, these only videos are there, but they will not train you. If you download this app, you have to give the quiz test and pass in it to go to the second topic. After the first topic, to go to the second topic, you have to answer 42 in 8 minutes. It is very, very difficult. You just practice it, you will understand your weaknesses. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 upon 4. 4 cancels. Your answer is 1. I hope you understood. Any doubts in this, my dear students? In this problem, it was easy and will appear for no doubt for 2 marks or 3 marks, 1 mark for it. And for this solving this expression, you may get 2 marks. Even the question may appear for 3 marks. Okay, 2 marks or 3 marks, 2 to 3 marks. Let us move on to the last one. Intentionally, I have given some lengthy question. Find the value of all other t ratios. Okay, shall I move on to anybody has got any doubts? No? Okay, very good. ಸೊ ನಿಮಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಲೈವ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರೀಮ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಚಾಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ವಾಟ್ಸ್ಆಪ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ಗೆ ವಿಡಿಯೋದ ಕೆಳಗನ ಬಿಫೋರ್ ದ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ ಯಸ್ಟರ್ಡೇ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಓಪನ್ ದ ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ರಿಪ್ಷನ್ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್, ಸೊ ದೇರ್ ವಾಟ್ಸ್ಆಪ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಗಿವನ್, ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ದೇರ್, ಜಾಯಿನ್. ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಜಾಯಿನಿಂಗ್ ಯು ರೈಟ್ ಯುವರ್ ನೇಮ್ ಅಂಡ್ ನಂಬರ್ so that I can save that number by your name, so that in the live chat I can see and talk with you. It is an interactive live class only, like your school class, college class, right? I am a flexible teacher, right? I want to, all of you to score good number of marks. Okay, let us move on to the last one, fourth one, and complete it, today's work. Okay, and then I will start sending you some subjective assignments, very few, 10-15 questions, because in within SAP I have already uploaded 430 questions only on topic wise on trigonometry for all classes, for all streams, ICSE, state, PUC I, Cbse. All of you practice it, and definitely you feel that trigonometry made easy. Trigonometry, you don't take it easy. Let us make it easy by good practice. Don't take anything easy. Don't take it easy. Make it easy by working on the app ಮೇಲೆ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, ಪೇಪರ್ ಪೆನ್ ಮೇಲೆ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ಆ ಟೈಮ್ನಾಗ ಅಷ್ಟ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ದೂರ ಇಡ್ರಿ. Take a pen and paper, practice the written, right? You have a separate book. I have sent you the PDF format so that anybody can download it and answer them. Okay, you can practice. Fourth one, if sine theta is equal to, let me draw the triangle. First of all, you practice to draw the triangle. Say this is sine theta. Okay, let me call this one as ABC. This symbol theta is Greek symbol. Read it as a theta. They are Greek symbols. Alpha, beta, gamma, delta, right? This is psi. These are all Greek symbols. Like that, this is theta. This is pi. Are you getting me? Pi. You are using pi, isn't it, in mathematics? They are all Greek symbols. Sin theta. What is sin theta? What you are given with? Given with the sin theta is equal to opposite upon adjacent. AB upon BC. What they have given? AB upon BC. What they have given? Let us write opposite is sin theta. Opposite is AB. Sorry, hypotenuse is AC. That is given as a square minus b square. Very interesting. Algebra test it is. A square minus b square. You identities you studied no in the 9th standard. Based on that, this is there. Upon a square plus b square. Little bit challenging, right? So let us learn little bit tougher level, so that if your question paper comes easier, you can comfortably play it. Play tough balls. You just do the batting, learn batting with the best bowler. Therefore, these are tough problems. You practice more, and easy questions will definitely come easily. Okay, what to do in such cases? I have seen in my 27 years of experience, many school students do definitely the mistakes. Whenever they get these algebraic identities, they require knowledge of algebraic identities you studied in the 9th standard. What is AB now? AB is a square minus b square. What is AC is? AC hypotenuse, sorry, a square plus b square. Now again unknown is left. This is also based on the Pythagorean problem only, right? By Pythagoras theorem. Let us start by Pythagoras theorem. Apply Pythagoras theorem. Don't worry. Step by step you start. Hypotenuse square, AC square. I will teach you slowly. Don't worry. Okay, you keep your pen and paper open. Just by looking at the video, you cannot understand it. You have to practically take pen and paper and solve. Plus BC square. Last problem today class. We'll finish it, and I will send you few practice questions and appeared questions in the assignment. Okay, you practice them. They will be relatively easier than this. Particularly, I will solve only tough questions available in your textbook, which many students feel difficult, because if I solve easy questions, meaningless. Whatever in my experience, in every chapter there will be some few very complicated and typical questions. Only those questions I will solve. Easy questions you will be learning in school also, and you will be learning solving them very easily. But I want you, my Logzi channel technically powered by Vedium's app students to excel in exam, and you upload your performance results, okay, and be very happy as a teacher, right? To improve your performance, we are working, our Vedium's team and this Logji channel is working for that only. AC square, what is AC square is equal to? AC square is equal to, simply write AC value, A square plus B square whole square. Do you agree with me? Is equal to, carefully, completely focus, be alert. What mathematics requires is alertness. AB square is A square minus B square plus what? BC square. Right? Now you take this to the left. You will get A square plus B square. Take this to the left. Square minus A square minus B square is equal to what? BC square. I am taking this A square minus B square to the left side. Generally, whenever transpose any number to the left side, positive becomes negative, negative becomes positive. They will change their sign. Now, won't you observe this one in the form of A square minus B square? Observe. Tell me, what is the formula of A square minus B square is? A square minus B square, is it not A plus B into A minus B? I hope you are getting me. Okay. Okay. Let me rub this one. Okay. You apply now. What is A in this case? Complete A. Don't do the mistake. A is A square plus B square and B is A square minus B square. A plus B, you have to write like this. I will write it in the flower bracket. A square plus B square is A. I'll put it in a bracket. Plus. What is B? B is A square minus B square. A plus B, A square minus B square. I will write the flower bracket. Then into A minus B. What is A minus B is? I will write in the bracket A square plus B square. Use of bracket is very important. It's called as board mass. You studied at the school level, board mass. B means bracket, O means order, D means division first in the order, M means multiplication, A means addition, S means subtraction. This is called as Bodemas principle. Use bracket properly. Minus A minus B. A, this is A, minus B is A square minus B square. This is equal to what? BC square. With this intention, I had given you this problem. How many of you tried like this? You answer. How many of you solved this fourth one? See, don't chat other things. Don't chat other things. Only subject related. Only subject related. Don't chat other things. Focus on the discussion here. Observe. Let me remove the bracket. A square plus B square plus A square minus B square. Plus into plus becomes plus, plus into minus becomes minus. Removing bracket is very, very important. This is a Bodemas. A square plus B square. Remove the bracket. Minus into plus is minus A square. I am watching your charts. Don't allowed. Other charts are not allowed. No personal charts. No personal charts, only subject charts. You consider it as your tuition class. I am a coach. Plus B square minus B square. A square plus A square is 2A square. Into, observe this time A square is cancels. Are you getting me? Remove the bracket carefully. Many students I have seen in my experience, When they remove they do not properly put the bracket because B is the first thing, bracket, O is order, D is division, next you have to do division, next multiplication, addition, subtraction. This is the board mass principle. In the bridge course, everyone should learn this as per the board instruction. In school also we are doing the same thing in the bridge course. In your school also they have to do the same thing. B square plus B square becomes what? 2B square is equal to BC square. Now the things are clear. 2 2s are 4. A square B square is equal to what? BC square. Now what is BC is equal to root of 4 means 2 square into A square into B square. You know, take a square root of a square number is the number itself. Is it not 2AB? You will get 2AB. Now you got BC as 2AB. That's all. Then you have to write all other trigonometric ratio. Very good question for 3 marks, my dear students. Observe carefully. Therefore, I have taken some tricky questions so that by solving 3-4 questions in your textbook are not sufficient, particularly for Cbse, ICSE, PUC I students. State students, you will get moderate questions, but next year when you go to PUC I, you will be put in trouble. Therefore, I am solving some tough questions, some easy questions, tough questions from your textbook. I will give some assignment questions, right? Any doubts are there in the WhatsApp day before the class. You write your name and doubt questions. Doubt question number. I have got question paper with me. Only question number you write. Don't write in detail questions. Question number and assignment. Hack 1, ham 1. I will give assignments. Today I will send you. Day after tomorrow you have chemistry class. Before attending the live stream of tomorrow chemistry class, in the WhatsApp group, you have to send your doubt question number. Those questions in the beginning I will discuss. That is why I am taking these classes, to clear your doubts. 2AB. Go on writing. Now no problem. What is sine theta? Very easy. Sine theta. Opposite upon hypotenuse. I will write directly. Time is going out. A square. Opposite is A square minus B square, and upon hypotenuse is A square plus B square. Then write cos theta. Cos theta is adjacent upon hypotenuse, which is 2AB upon A square plus B square. Check it. Adjacent upon hypotenuse. Slowly you will speed up application. Tan theta, opposite upon adjacent, which comes out to be A square minus B square upon 2AB. Tan theta. Reciprocal of sin theta is cosec theta. Means reciprocal of this, you write, you will get A square plus B square upon ಉಲ್ಟಾ ಪಲ್ಟಾ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ರೆಸಿಪ್ರೋಕಲ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕು, ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ನ ಇಂದು ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ನ ತಗೋಬೇಕು. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಲ್ಲ? ರೆಸಿಪ್ರೋಕಲ್. ಕಾಸದ ರೆಸಿಪ್ರೋಕಲ್ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ ಸೆಕ್ ಥೀಟಾ. ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ರೆಸಿಪ್ರೋಕಲ್. ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ A square plus B square upon 2AB. Get it? What is the reciprocal of tan theta? Reciprocal of tan theta is cot theta. Cot theta. Take the reciprocal. Denominator becomes numerator. Numerator becomes denominator. You will get 2AB upon A square minus B square. That's all, students. I don't want to take more time for you. Okay. So just some difficult questions I had given you. If you are not understood anything, just rewind. Again watch it. You will understand it. That's all in this class today, my dear students. First of all of you download Whatsap app, and slowly courses will be started. Once your syllabus chapter wise, I will send you the number of hours and topics started, and the weekend tests. All the activities will start now after the bridge course. Okay, till then, good night, my dear students. Eat well, sleep well, keep your body and mind fit. To achieve anything, body and mind must be fit. Have positive thoughts. Don't compare with others. Regularly do the school homework. Regularly go to the school and have good contact with your teachers. Take blessing from your parents. Okay, all the blessings of elders is going to support you at your bad time. That's all, my dear students. Comment in my WhatsApp group in today's class what was useful, what was unnecessary. Okay, you can comment. I will go on improving myself, my dear students. Bye bye. See you in the next class tomorrow.